In this video, I'll be showing you how you can link your Twitch account to Ubisoft using your phone. First, let's go to the browser and search for twitch.tv. Now change it to a desktop site by tapping the three dot icon and checking the box. Log into your account, then tap your profile icon located at the top right. From here, tap Settings. Above, you can see different sections. Tap on the Connection section. Look for Ubisoft, and then tap the Connect button beside it. Tap Get Started, and press Log in with Twitch. After that, review the information that shows on the screen, and then click Authorize. Here, log in your Ubisoft account. If you don't have one, just create an account on Ubisoft. Tap the Next button, then go back to your browser and refresh the Twitch website. Now you can see that your Ubisoft account and Twitch account are connected. If this video helped you out, please give it a thumbs up. For more videos like this, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell button to be notified. For suggestions and questions, comment down below. Until the next one.